Now I am going to invite Hafiz Muhammad Zishan of Grade First to come on the dais and express his views, the role of Madaris in rebuilding society. Hafiz Muhammad Zishan of Grade First. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, almighty, the Lord and the creator of the entire universe. Honorable President, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am very lucky because I got a golden chance to express my views and my thoughts on the topic, the role of madrasa in rebuilding society. Honorable President, in this time of temptation and corruption, the Muslims are invaded from each and every side. On one hand, the Judaism and Christianity are invading them, while on the other hand, the poisoning media is invading them. The attacks on religious beliefs and ideas are being made. The Islamic tradition are being removed. Every effort is being made to demolish Islam. The Islamic symbols are being moved. How can a country or society be improved in such a critical condition? Respected teachers, there was a time when there was a storm of disbelief in India. Misguidance and cruelty was on its peak. The scholars were being hanged. The maps of Islam were being removed. On this occasion, the scholar confronted the British on every issue. But when there was obvious problem in their way and the situation got to the peak point, it's now difficult to face the British on the field. So, Maulana Qasim Nanuti rahimahullah laid the foundation of Darul Ulum Deoband. And he was the only scholar who came out of his madrasa, supported the nation, and finally liberated the Muslim from the British game. On one hand, the Mujahid of Islam preaching thousands of Hindus and Christians, converting them into Muslim. While on the other hand, he fought against Christianity and Hinduism. Honorable President, whenever the homeland needs sacrifice, these were the scholars who stood in the front of the pen, shielding their heads to protect the country and religions. And today, the Muslim Ummah suffers the worst condition. Despite increasing number of Muslims, honor of sister and mother is not safe. The killing of the Muslim has become a favorite activity of non-believers. If anyone who tries to bring an Islamic revolution today, they can be the son of Maulana Qasim Nanuti rahimahullah. And those who maintain the Islamic values and they don't forget the cultures and civilizations. My dear fellows, similarly, nowadays, Judaism and Christianity are trying their best to demolish the great building of Islamic values and culture through media and internet. But these are madaris that oppose them by spreading the Islamic teaching in the society. These madaris produce ulamas who guide their society on the path of Islam through speech, their actions, and their written work. Honorable President, if we want our beliefs, our actions, and our society remain Islamic, then we should accompany these ulamas and support these madaris. I am finishing my speech with these words. The madaris has played, is playing, and will be playing a vital role in rebuilding society. Thanks a lot for your full attention. Wassalam.